Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going on some riding. So excited. Man, I've waited days to go riding. The weather's been weird in California, but today it's a beautiful day. Look, it's not even a cloud in the sky. Said it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but man, I'm gonna enjoy today. We're starting to get into winter. It's feeling very brisk. I'm going to meet up with some of my buddies. My buddy Chris, we're gonna go up to Glendora Mountain Road, which is an awesome canyon road up in the mountains, a little bit north of LA. Dude, this is gonna be a great day. So I'm gonna go head out right now. Hopefully I can meet up with them before they leave the gas station. Got a quick little ride, and then we're gonna go do some canyon riding again. Thanks a lot for joining me today. Let's go find them and let's go get some riding done. Okay, so here we are. We're going up the mountain. You see those mountains up there? We're gonna go ride up the mountains. Now the road we wanted to go to was actually closed today due to like high wind or some other stuff like that. But it's all good. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have a good old time. We got the bikes up behind, my buddy Chris right here. And it's all about having fun. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. The wheelie. Oh, too funny. Bikes for days up here. Look at this R1. R1M. The Ninja. Panigale.
I don't know. Postcard approved. Sulfur.
The R6. Man, this is canyon whipping. Look at this thing of the Graves exhaust. Damn. So sexy.
If I can't get someone behind me.
Boom! He has to do it again. Oh man, everybody's gotten too good at wheelies, man. Yeah. Man, I hope you guys had a great time riding with me today. If you like this video, you know, throw me a thumbs up. Just click that thumbs up, man. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll put it right here. Click the subscribe. And check out all my other videos, man. Hope you guys have a great day. See you guys next time. Ride safe.